Morning. So today is Monday, 8 days no sa atong exercise. So different no like push up and others no squat no and others and 8 days na to karon. So previously wala ta nakuha, so first time na to ni makuha og kanang video. So push up. Actually, ang akong push up nga perform previously is chair or ganang diri sa bed lang man, pero karon diri gyud sa floor na i-try na to. So maski makakuha lang ta og 5. Okay?
Dap.
So, at least no, I thought 5 pero we've got 6. Okay? I was 8 rather. 5 so 8. So bye bye no. Thank you so much.